2014 BMW 535i. Really nice car. Nice wheels too. All cars should have really nice wheels on them from the factory. BMW knows how to do that sometimes. It's got the factory converter there. Then it comes with a Y pipe there, and it duals out the back there. Then we did a mid resonator delete right there, which is over there. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Then we also did a muffler delete there and there, right there and right there. There's the two mufflers right there and right there. There's the resonator, dual in, dual out. We cut it all out. And like one guy says, we're a muffler shop, but we hate mufflers. Exactly. That's why we're a muffler shop. Anyways, there, and then we put some carbon fiber wrapped blue flame tips there and there. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for these tips. They run about $150, I think, something like that for the set, or $200, I'm not sure. Anyways, there it is. Like always, guys, please support us by subscribing, liking, and commenting on our videos, because it keeps us going and keeps us making more and more videos for you guys. The more happy you guys are, the more happy we are. It's not bad. Straight pipe. Again? What do you guys think? I like it. The sound decibels again. It peaked right at 100. That sounds really good for a BMW. There's everything we cut off, guys, again. Those tips look really good on. Look at them right there. Got the writing on them. Got the blue tint. Really nice. Turbo. You can actually hear the turbo spooling up a little bit. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. You can hear it whistle, you know, the spool. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. See you on the next one. Get on it, okay? BMW 535i Turbo. And it's her brother in the Honda. So you get 2 for 1, guys. Let's see what the Beaver can do. That's awesome. I love the color of it. That's a really beautiful color.